Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome. I don't know you know this or not, but Samsung has changed. This is the new Samsung. Previous Samsung was stubborn, but now they are paying much more attention to their smartphones because the Chinese is catching up. They announced the M series in India, which is supposed to mess up the sales of Xiaomi, and now this new phone. Chinese has already made phones with pop-up style camera like the Vivo Nex, and now Samsung is like, fuck it, let's go all in. This is the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A90. This is not the perfect solution, no doubt, it looks super cool. It also saves the display from having a notch or a hole, but a moving part which can potentially break, and water resistance is just not even a consideration anymore. We haven't got any news about a malfunctioning pop-up camera on any existing phones. For sure Samsung will do many testings before release, but still technically it can break. Because they will use the pop-up camera, the screen will be perfect, notchless and holeless. We don't have any exact pricing of the phone, but it is probably going to be mid-range, probably around $500-$550. And if you don't like the pop-up camera, there are more phones from Samsung lineup to choose from. And I can bet that they will never use this type of technology on the Galaxy S or Note series. Water resistance is simply that much more important. Let's quickly go through all of the types of the camera placements. There's the good old bezel, then there's the bottom placed camera of the Mi Mix, then there's a rotating camera Oppo phone, notch, really big notch, water droplet notch, hole, pop-up camera, rear camera with rear screen, and then there's the best option which we saw on the Vivo Apex phone 2019, just don't put a front camera, fuck selfies. Coming on to the Galaxy S10, we saw a dummy hands-on video from MKBHD. I bet you have seen that video, so not gonna talk about that. We got a new leaked image of the Galaxy S10 from Glass. This is the white color of the Galaxy S10 with triple rear cameras. Now this might be the angle of the image or probably the white color, but if we look at the shadow, it indicates a bigger than usual camera bump. We know that the Galaxy S10 is slimmer than the Galaxy S9, so this could be one of the reasons why this camera bump is bigger than what we have on the current models. This shadow make it look like it's about the size of the Galaxy S7 camera bump, which was a little bit bigger than the camera bump of the S9s and the Note 9s. But as I said, we don't have any confirmation on this, it could just be the angle at which light is coming. Nothing else to see in this image. Let me know guys, what do you think about the pop-up camera of the Galaxy A90? Do you like it? And also, do you think that this is a bigger camera bump? Post your thoughts in the comments. Also consider subscribing for more tech updates. Like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.